What's up guys, John Howell here, officialjohnhowell.com. In this video I'm going to give you a quick look at Google and show you what I see for the next sort of at least couple of months moving forward with Google. Anything I do say in this video is general advice only. Do not place a trade based on what I tell you, because you know 95% of traders don't make money in the market. Trading the market is hard, it's difficult, but there are processes and systems and strategies that can help you get ahead. If you're interested in learning more about, say, the top 13 mistakes that most traders make, then click on this little image up the top here, click on that. It's going to take you to another page where you can watch a video where I walk you through the biggest mistakes that most traders make. So at least allows you to know the mistakes that most traders make, and if you don't make those mistakes, hence you're likely to move forward. Anyway, let's get into this Google chart right now. What I see on this Google chart, I'm looking on the daily chart, just real quick here, just a quick update, is we can see this market's been coming down for quite some time. Obviously, Google's been coming down since, you can see, it's sort of the middle of sort of October. The start of October, or sort of the end of September into October. It's been coming down ever since through here, okay? Now, if we look at the weekly chart, we can see even on the weekly chart that this thing has been looking very, very, very weak all the way down, okay? Basically, the overall trend since the start of 2014 has been down for Google, okay? What I do see is, because it's really struggling right now, we can see on a weekly chart that there's a whole bunch of resistance through here, and you can see it's where it bounced through there, and that's where it's struggling right now on the weekly chart. Look on the daily chart right now, and on the daily chart we can see that it's actually coming up, and this is where it's having a lot of problems right now, okay? Have a breakthrough there, and it's had a little breakthroughs, but this is, remember, this is the overall weekly resistance on the weekly chart. What I do see right now is most gaps get filled, and you can see we've got a big gap through here. Okay, this big gap through here right now is, I believe, it's likely to be filled over the next couple of months. The reason why I say that is, one, because most gaps get filled, and two, the market looks really, really weak. So the overall sign for Google is down, and yes, that's exactly what I see with Google. Okay, so just keep an eye out for that. The overall thing I do see with Google eyes is, once again, the gaps like being closed, and obviously right now, looking on the weekly chart, we're seeing that it's really struggling around this level through here on an overall big long-term basis. If you look in the draw a trend line, then you can see we actually have sort of a bit of a channel sort of thing happening. If I draw that from there to there, create a little parallel trend line, create a little channel out of that sucker. And there we go. See, it looks like it's going to get down to, if it starts to get down to here, we can see this overall resistance point was through here, okay, on the weekly chart. So that looks very in line with where I think it's going to go. So it's probably going to struggle, and then over the next couple of weeks, next couple of months, it's going to probably come down to here, to where it's going to find a bit of support in this overall channeling period. It ran up, hit it once, came down, hit it once, almost hit it there, didn't hit it there, hit it there, and I believe now the downside will come over the next couple of months for Google. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this update. If you're looking to know more about the way that I viewed the markets, the way I view the markets, some strategies and techniques, and also some ways that you can stop making those mistakes that's stopping you from moving forward, then click on this image up here right now, and I'll see you on the next page. This is John Howell here, officialjohnhowell.com. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.